This rose is for being my friend. Thanks for the beautiful indigo-colored rose, Donna.
Bill, can I ask you something?
What is it, Pete?
Do you go on YouTube and know a user by the name of UberHaxorNova?
No, I don't, and this really isn't the place to be discussing that. Donna has just left me this lovely rose. How do I send the video to my son on Facebook?
Yeah!
We're sorry, but it appears that we're experiencing technical issues with the DNR website. Staff is working hard to correct the problem. Thank you for your patience. In the meantime, look at this beautiful butterfly.
Okay.
Thank you for being so good at following directions.
Been married 26 years.
Well, there you go.